Welcome, in front of me is a VERNEE Apollo Lite, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on the device. So to get started, you want to hold power key and select power off. And wait for the device to shut off, which will be indicated by the vibration. Okay, so there it was. So from here, you want to hold power key and the volume up, both of those keys at the same time. And after about a couple of seconds, we should see the boot mode. There it is. So, and here you want to select recovery mode, which is the first option, and you want to use a volume up key to navigate, like so, as you can see, to select the first recovery mode. And once it's selected, press volume down to confirm it. Then the next thing we'll see is the Android with no command. From here, you want to hold power key, and while holding power, press volume up once, and we're now in the recovery mode. So from here we can actually use both of the volume keys now to navigate, like so. As you can see, volume down goes down and up goes up. And you want to select, using those volume keys, wipe cache partition. And once it's selected with the blue line, press power key to confirm it. It gives you a quick dialog on the bottom, cache wipe complete, and the process is basically finished. So after you see the cache wipe complete on the bottom, Reboot System now should be selected by default. So all you need to do is press power key once more and the device will reboot back to the Android. And as you can see, we're back in the Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.